For those of you from California, thank you for arranging the weather to make an Englishman feel very at home today. You really shouldn't have. No, you really shouldn't have. It's horrible. But what I have for you, very quickly, one slide overview of our company's strategy analytics, in case you haven't come across us before. Then I'll start by looking at the automotive camera market, mainly talking initially about ADAS, where we are today, the advanced driver assistance systems, peek into the future on how that may look as we move more automated as well. Then we'll move through perhaps a slight gear change, but there's some very strong synergies with what's happening on ADAS and automated and the broader picture of automotive architectures, which has been touched on already in terms of centralization. And then we'll look at the future and the impact of automated driving, particularly with reference on how that will impact the value chain and some of the challenges we'll see there. And then it says we'll have some conclusions, but somewhere between here, the UK, and Korea, where I was last week, I don't actually have I just checked the slide deck. I've checked it 65 times. I don't have a conclusion slide. So I will make up some conclusions when we reach the end, and I do apologize for that. And then I'll take some Q&A.